Hi, yes. Next topic. CTET Paper 1 Pedagogy. Today topic Socialization Process. Notes and question answers. Again repeated. CTET Paper 1 Pedagogy. Today topic Socialization Process. Notes and question answers. Pedagogy socialization process. Meaning of socialization. Socialization occurs through human interaction. Learning the appropriate cognitive, personal and social skills. Questions. The word of socialization means what? Answer. Adjusting in the society. Second one. Gender is a and an. Social construct. Third question. Socialization is adoption of social norms. Adoption of social norms. Fourth question. The process of socialization is called the process of dash in a society. Assimilation. Next. Definition of socialization. Grouping and society. W.F. Ogburn. E.S. Bourdieu's work together. J.J. Massionis. Society and develops human characteristics. Questions. In the context, education socialization means adopting and adjusting the social environment. Second question. Teachers are advised to involve their learner in group activities because besides facilitating learning they also help in dash. Answer. Socialization. Next. Types of socialization. Primary and secondary. Primary starts with birth of the child. This is called primary due to two facts. Phase of life. Second one, most importantly, usually happens in the family. Primary socialization usually happens in the family. During occur early year, acquire human skills, goals and attitudes of our culture and society from the family. Secondary socialization. Child first step into the larger society. Refers the process of learning. Secondary socialization takes place outside the home. Learning of roles, skills and proper behavior occur during the secondary socialization. Next. Factors influencing socialization. These are four types: imitation, suggestion, identification and language. Imitation. Social behavior pattern by copying someone. Suggestion. Logical or self-evident basics. Identification. Through the identification is becomes sociable. Language. Medium of culture transmission and social interaction. Next one. Essences of socialization. These are four types. First one, family. Second one, school. Third one, the peer relationship. Fourth one, mass media. Primary agent of socialization. This is called family. School, education institution. Change the socialization. Third one, the peer relationship. Group members, usually children of the same age and similar status. Mass media. Influence has grown exponentially with the advance of technology. Questions. Which of the following are secondary agent of socialization? Answer: school and neighborhood.